series of mudslides destroying or damaging more than 500 homes and businesses.
You see this area here with this home and this pool as we fade back to what's left there now, absolutely nothing.
From Burbank to Montecito, those new images of the harrowing first moments.
Oh my God, Mom!
Marco Farrell recording that wall of water. The Thomas Fire, largest in California history, denuded the nearby hills of vegetation and anything that would absorb the water. Many did not heed the voluntary evacuation warnings. Given the freak nature of the downpour, it might not have mattered anyway.
They screwed up big time. They should have said anyone in the floodplain should get the hell out. Almost an unbelievable scene for thousands of Maryland residents. Raging waters filling the streets of their town, Ellicott City.
Oh my God!
Crumbling houses. And smashing car after car.
They're all going down.
Tossing them like toys. It happened so fast, a torrential downpour, more than 8 inches of rain in just 3 hours.
Ellicott City is the strongest community I've ever been a part of. We're going to rebuild this place the best we can.
Hurricane Florence now crashing into the Carolina coast as fears of catastrophic flooding have already been realized. Winds now ranging up to 90 miles per hour, so strong the roof of this gas station collapsed. That roof then blowing away. Take a look at the waves crashing inside this home in North Topsail Beach.
Now it seems the 500-year floods come every other year. How do you plan for that?
If you are refusing to leave during this mandatory evacuation, then you need to notify your legal next of kin because the loss of life is very, very possible.
Hurricane Michael is the strongest hurricane to hit the U.S. since 1969, ripping through the southeast, leaving a path of destruction in its wake. The monster storm slamming into Florida's panhandle, making landfall near Mexico Beach just before 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Winds at 155 miles an hour, just shy of a Category 5 hurricane. Watch as fierce winds tear apart this Panama City home. Transformers bursting behind us.
You see that?
And when the storm finally passed through, the scale of the devastation coming into focus.
We've lost everything. I mean, everything. And we're lucky to have our lives.
An entire town has been reduced to ashes. This fire is now the 4th most destructive in California's history.
We lost everything, trailers, all our belongings. Now we're on grinding rock.
The mayor of the city, Jody Jones, urging her residents to not surrender.
I don't know what we're going to be faced with in the next few days, but we will rise from the ashes, so to speak. We will rebuild and we'll be better than ever.
In Northern California, the campfire has grown even more deadly.
The Carr Fire near Redding, now 20,000 acres. And near Yosemite, the Ferguson Fire charring more than 43,000 acres. Parts of that park still closed.
Down in Southern California, 2 major wildfires, the Hill Fire and the Woolsey Fire, just miles from one another.
Based on where we're going with temperatures because of increasing greenhouse gases, we're going to have drier and drier summers. I can't see the situation getting better. If anything, it's going to get worse.